Okay, welcome back for part 2. So here we have a bonus question. This is just like what we were doing before we stopped. We need to draw a model. So a sparrow has 4 eggs in its nest. A duck has 3 times as many eggs in its nest as the sparrow. An ostrich has 5 times as many eggs. Oh, we got 3 of these. Okay. So our sparrow, our duck, and our ostrich. So an ostrich has 5 times as many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A duck has 3 times as many, and a sparrow has that. So our sparrow has 4. Our duck has 4, 4, 4. So he's got altogether 12 eggs in his nest. The ostrich, wow, he's got a lot of eggs in his nest. So that's 4 times 5 equals 20. An ostrich has 20 eggs in his nest. What a lot of eggs. Oh, wow. Okay, we're going to keep on moving. So Shelly here has 20 stickers. Shelly has 4 times as many stickers as Luke. So we need to draw out the situation. So Shelly has 4 times as many as Luke. So Shelly has 4 times as many. And Luke, there. So we know that all together, Shelly has, altogether that equals 20 stickers. She's got 20 stickers. So we need to figure out how much does each block represent. So we have 20, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So we're going to go 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So that means each one of these is a 5. And that means Luke has 5. I hope you can see that. So you're going to be using those dividing and multiplication facts. So here is another question like that. So there are 6 apples on a table. There are twice as many apples as pears. So twice as many apples than pears. So my apples are twice as many as my pears. How many pears are there? So this equals 6. There are 6 apples there, because that's what it told me. There's 6 apples. It's twice as many apples as pears. So 6 divided by 1, 2 equals 3. So each one of those is 3. So the pears is 3. So how many pears are there? There are 3 pears. Yes. Awesome. We're rocking this, grade 4. You are doing fantastic. Okay, so now you're going to do this on your own. It says you need to draw a model and find the size of each block. So you're going to be doing exactly what we just did right here. So this is going to be your assignment, to figure that out. So pause and figure it out. Okay, you're back. So a minibus holds 16 people. So we have a minibus. A minibus holds twice as many people as a van. So we have a minibus and we have a van. The minibus is twice, so it's got 2, and the van just has 1. So the minibus holds 16, so together that is 16. So 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So each of these holds 8, which means my van holds 8. 8 people in a van. Awesome, I hope you got that answer. Tristan's apartment building is 30 stories high. So we got Tristan. Tristan's apartment is 5 times as high as Anna's. So we have Tristan and we have Anna. So Tristan is 5 times as high. Whoop. Make a nice long line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Anna is right there. So we know altogether that Tristan's apartment has 30 stories. So this equals 30. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So there are 6 in each one of those. So that means that is 6. So Anna has 6, how tall is it? It's 6 stories tall. Fantastic. You rock this. Okay, next one. Ethan is 14 years old. So we got Ethan. Ethan is 7 times as old as Tina. So how old is Tina? So we got Tina and we got Ethan. We know that Ethan is 7 times. Okay, so we got 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 7. Tina is right there. And we know that Ethan is 14. So 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So that means each box is 2. And so Tina is 2 years old. Awesome! You guys are rocking this math. Whoa, 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 whoa. I love my singing today. Okay, here we go. Now, this is a diagram that a child put in the margin of their notebook. We are told that the difference is 18. Now, we need to figure out what is the size of each block. So, the difference is 18. So the difference is these blocks right here, because those two are the same. So this is the difference. What is it different? How is it? What is different? This part is different than those two. They're the same. So we know that that is 18. So how many blocks is 18? 1, 2, 3 blocks. So 18 divided by 3 equals, you're right, 6. So each block equals 6. So with that, we know the difference, the number of blocks that it's passed, that are more of them, there's 3 more, that's our difference is 18, and we can figure this out. So this is for you to try and figure out on your own. So you are given the difference right here. They tell you the difference. You need to figure out if you can find what each block is worth. So you pause and see if you can figure that out. Okay, let's see how you did. So 15 is the difference, and there's 3 blocks that will equal up to 15. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So each block is 5. You got 5? Awesome. That is great. So here the difference is 16 for these 2 blocks. So 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So that one's 8. So that means each block is 8. Here the difference was 21. So that's 1, 2, 3 blocks have to equal 21. So 21 divided by 3. Oh, look at how all this practicing of our multiplication facts is paying off today, grade 4, is 7. 7, 7, 7. So each block is 7. Okay, here we have, this is 44. 1, 2, 3, 4. 44 divided by 4 equals 11. So that means each box is worth 11. I hope that you figured those all out. Awesome. Way to go. You guys rock this. Okay, so now the student drew these in their margin of their book, and they were told that the total is 18. So the total number that all of these equal is 18. So I'm going to put this symbol which says all of these equal 18. So if we have to figure out how big is each block, we know that all together they have to equal 18. So we have to count how many blocks there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 blocks. So 18 divided by 9 is 2. So each block is 2. Okay, so when you're given the total, that means all the blocks together will equal 18. So now you are going to see if you can figure out what is the total and then you're told the total. What is the size of each block? So you pause and see if you can figure out the size of each block. Okay, we're back. So we know that the total is 15. So we have 15 altogether. And how many blocks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Here we know our total is 16. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So that would be 4. Here our total is 28. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. And the last one, we know that our total is 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 120 divided by 10 is 12. I hope you were able to figure all those out. Awesome, grade 4. Okay, we're going to pause and we'll wrap it up in the next video session. So come back to part 3.